Hey everybody, so I'm excited to show y'all my newest car. This is a 2004 Mustang GT in dark shadow gray, and it looks awesome. Other than, you can probably see right there, a tiny bit of the paint's peeling up front, but I plan on fixing that, but it looks awesome. It's got staggered wheels, Nitto 315s on the back, tires that is, Nitto 315 tires. You can see they're pretty wide. Got full exhaust, headers, X-pipe with some Borla mufflers. Not sure if it's a catback, but it is. Full exhaust on the car. It's got a BBK throttle body, a new intake. I'm not sure if it's the stock intake or if it's aftermarket, but the intake is new as well. Cold air intake, 373 gears, short throw shifter, racing clutch. Let me show y'all the inside now that y'all have seen the outside. Whew, man, this car is awesome. I got it for a good deal. Traded in my silver Camaro for it, actually. I saw it sitting on the lot, and I knew the second I saw it that it was going to be mine. So I talked to him as quick as I could and had it the next day. You can see it's leather interior. I better get those keys so I don't forget about them, actually. Leather interior. Looks pretty nice. I mean, almost spotless. There's no tears. There's a little bit of rub right there, but it's not really any tears. Let me show you the gauges. Well, sorry, the sun's kind of, there we go. It's got a Viper security system on it too. As I said, short throw shifter. It is topped. And it's still got the original radio, AC and heat work. This is an awesome Mustang. It really is just about perfect. As y'all know, I've still got that one back there. I haven't shown it in a while because I blew its head gasket, 266,000 miles. So it's been sitting there. I've actually taken off the intake manifold and got it down to just the head so far. But that's not what we're talking about today. Let's pop the hood, see if I can, well, I probably can't do it with one hand because of how far it is up under there. Let's see, there we go. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is it has adjustable ride quality up front. You can stiffen and loosen the rod up here. Also adjustable caster camber, adjustable clutch. You can see the BBK throttle body. You can see the cold air. You can't really see the headers because of how, how tight everything is in this engine bay. But you can see it looks pretty clean. I'm not going to start it up right now, but I will cut to a clip of it running. It was right after a cold start that I took that video, so I'll let y'all hear it. And let me lock it and one more look at the car. Honestly, this is the best vehicle I've ever owned, I believe. It is comfortable, rides very smooth, very, very smooth.